How to find the XML Source component in SSIS Toolbox for Visual Studio 2022. Introduction. When building SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS) packages in Visual Studio 2022, developers may look for the XML Source component to process XML files but find it missing from the toolbox. This can be confusing, especially since it is documented as a standard SSIS data source. Why is XML Source missing? The SSIS Toolbox dynamically updates its available components depending on the current context. The XML Source, along with other specific data sources, only appear when you're editing the data flow portion of your SSIS package. If you are in the Control Flow tab, these specialized components won't show up. How to make XML Source visible? To access the XML Source in the SSIS Toolbox, add a data flow task. In the Control Flow design surface, drag and drop a data flow task onto the canvas. Open the data flow task. Double-click the data flow task to switch to the data flow tab. View the toolbox. Now, in the SSIS Toolbox, you will see a section named Other Sources. This section includes the XML Source component along with other specialized data sources. Summary. The SSIS Toolbox components depend on the current task type being edited. To use the XML Source, you must first add and open a data flow task. Once inside the Data Flow tab, the appropriate data sources like XML Source appear automatically. By following these steps, you'll gain access to the XML Source component to effectively integrate XML data into your SSIS packages.